Testing, testing, testing. All right, think we're good. I think we're good. First thing first. Oh, let's do our prayer. Bow our head, close your eyes. Dear Lord, we come to you today, Lord, humbly and openly, Lord. We want to say thank you for today. Thank you for allowing us for another day. Open our minds. Continue to protect us through the night. Um, we just want to say thank you for keeping your angels around us. Continue allowing us to be able to see another day to give your name honor and glory. Today we're going on these charts. I ask you to clear our minds from any other thoughts that may be distractions, confusion, or uh, poor execution, Lord. I ask you let us have the patience, the knowledge, the strength, the endurance to be able to make the right decisions. And even if we end up win, losing, or drawing, Lord, that we learn from the uh, trade and continue to grow. We don't allow it to take over us out of anger or greed, Lord. Thank you for everything you continue to do and continue to bless us. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, let's get started. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading video. Today is October 30th, 2025, Thursday. So let's get started, man. Let's get started. Honestly, we got an interesting market today. Yesterday, well, pretty much this whole week we've been gapping up, right? We've been gapping up, gapping up, gapping up. I told y'all, hey, at some point we know it got to come down. It's kind of a little bit overextended for the gap ups. Now you see that we pushed up so hard. I'm like, at some point it got to come down. We don't know exactly where or exactly when until we see what a daily red candle. Um, so today we are red right now, but this candle has to close red for it to let us know, hey, it's actually looking for a low. Um, I was looking to be short today. For just for the meantime, looking for it to be short today on most of the futures. I'm looking for it to be short most of the futures. But we're gonna look and see what type of trades we can get into. I'm gonna do the analysis real quick before the market opens. And yeah, that's what we're gonna get into. And I also want to let y'all know we're trading MNQ and MES and MYM if we go to it. But we trading the micros today just because we kinda, unless we see like a nice quick scalp we can get in, we kinda don't really know too much what the market wants to do as of today. Because I looked at the earnings that came out. I told y'all Meta had came out. The earnings completely dropped. Like Meta dropped almost $100 off of the earnings. Like 70, I think like $70 it dropped. So I really gotta let the market open up and see how the market wants to react. That's why ES and MNQ are down because of Meta. Is huge. It was a huge market. It's a huge market cap. It affects the stock market heavily, and it came out with bad. Well, the earnings just end up dropping it. Let me see if it actually was bad earnings. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull it up just for y'all. Okay. Oh yeah, the earnings end up being lower than it was. I mean, worse than it was supposed to be. As you can see, for the earnings, it was actually down. See that? It was down by 5.673, and that's I believe that's billions. Revenue was actually up. Revenue was up, but the earnings was down. Okay, and that what that pretty much mean is revenue can be, hey, we if they shut down certain locations and stuff like that, they can also help increase the revenue and everything. But it was a surprise. They ended up bringing it down, so that's why the overall market is down. Okay, now let's get on to these charts and start our analysis. So I'm on M&Q daily. Of course, we know what we got, a higher low right here. That's our solidify level. Target is what? These highs, but it already took the high. That was our target, but it already took it overnight. You see that? Took the highs overnight. So the market has to decide, hey, do we want to come and close above here to keep going higher? Or are we going to, flip red to go down? Or we could turn green and then they give us another retest possibly. But as of now, it already did its job for what it was supposed to do, was take the high of the previous candle. Now let's drop down to the hourly. Dropping down to the hourly. If we look at this, market is what? Overall is in the uptrend, so we can still mark the uptrend out. But it's been in the downtrend right now. It made a higher high. Then, well, technically it ain't full downtrend. It gotta break this low right here. But it made a low, another high, lower low. See that? So at this point, we're trying to see if we break this structure right here. Honestly, like I said, I'm more leaning towards playing shorts for the meantime. But we gotta see if it's gonna bounce off any fair value gaps or not. Okay. So we got this hourly fair value gap here. We just closed inside it. I think the market is trying to decide if it wants to stay inside it because it pushed right back out. All right. So we're trying to see if it's trying to stay inside it. For shorts, what we will want is a break, retest, and drop down to this low. That will be a nice trade for us. Or if we can get, say we got this high here, we get a high, we actually close green. It's a small fair value gap right here. If we can get a tap of it and then drop back down with a red hourly candle, that'll be a nice trade also for the short. If y'all can see that. All right. Because that might be leaving us a nice big hourly fair value gap here. So we gotta see what the market want to do. The market just opened up. It's 8:30. So we probably pretty much gonna let this hourly candle close, but I think we're wanting to go down. Okay. So for the downtrend, let's mark the solidified levels for the downtrend. We're gonna use what color? What color? I think we finna come to the bottom of here. What color? What color? We can still use orange, it's fine. But I think we come to the bottom of this gap and it's gonna try to decide if it wants to stay below that gap. Let's go to the lower time frame, see if we can get a quick scalp. It's just pushing hard right now. We might not even be able to get in. If it closed below that low, I'll get in with it. It didn't close below yet. A sweep of that low. Let's get in one. Just take it down to here. That's not where our true stop gonna be at. We just having it sit there for right now. See if we can go and get down there. And we don't have no news today. That's another thing. No news today. Alright, we got a green. Let's see if we can flip back red here. And take these lows out. I want to look at the daily so I can see where the daily target would be for the shorts. But it's alright. We just take it to the bottom of the gap. Alright, come on. Come on, take us to it. Ah, come on now. Push down, push down, push down. It's fighting. Go on, take it. Alright, we got that quick 25. It probably keeps squeezing. Honestly, it might come take this out already. But we didn't get. I wanted to look at the daily to see where it was trying to go. Okay, the daily fair value gap here, we can mark that out. That's probably where it's trying to go to. Mark this daily gap out. But we caught 25 right there. Okay. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, now we're trying to see, is it going to respect this daily fair value gap, bounce off of this to continue to go higher? Or is it going to come to the other side? That's the biggest thing. If it touched this gap, it has to. We got to see what it wants to do. Do it want to break through, or do it want to go higher? If it's just wanting to stay straight bullish, it's gonna push up here before you would touch the gap. It had to push all the way back up, all the way back up. But I think it wants to touch the daily gap. I think it wants to touch it, and touching it will confirm our. Well, it ain't gonna completely confirm because if we flip all the way back green on this daily counter, then it won't be a true break and retest. But I don't think we're gonna flip all the way back green without no news or nothing. I think we're gonna go. We'll still stay red. It's just depending. Are we gonna close? Like, is we gonna touch this other side of this daily fair value gap, or is we gonna uh bounce and go higher? That's the question. But if we shoot straight through, we shoot straight through. Oh, let me delete the hourly level because it broke it. All right, look like we possibly can shoot through. Come on. Oh no, it didn't. I thought I had an hourly solidify level. Dang, that would have been a nice hold, but it's fine. We couldn't really hold it without knowing our levels. I could have sat behind this level right here, but I didn't. I didn't know exactly what it was trying to do, and I was ready to go ahead and get my profits. Hey, anybody in here? Be sure to like the stream also. Like the stream. Like the stream. Dang, them shorts coming in nice. I wish I still was in, but can't have no regrets. It ain't no more hourly gaps to protect. I think this getting taken out. Unless somehow it push all the way back up. I think this is getting taken out though. Let's see if a green candle come. I think it'll get taken out. Let's get it quick. 12. Close, close. Alright, we caught 12. I was trying to just take a quick little drop because I don't know if it'll bounce right back up or not. Alright. Where the next hourly gap is? Let's see. The next hourly solidify level is down here. Let me mark it out. Again, that huge, huge drop. Huge drop. I don't even see no fair value gaps in the way. Oh, it was one right here. It already pushed past it. And one right here. It pushed past that one as well. We might just see it dump and take the other level out. Let me go to the 1 minute. Huge drop, huge drop. If we see a green here, I don't want to get in. But if it close red, I'll get back. I'll get in. Oh, that's pushing. We might be trying to take this one out. Watch it drop. Closing red. We like that it's closing red. I'm gonna add one more. I think we trying to go take that other level out. It closed green is gonna suck though, but come on, push down, push down, push down. It closed green, I'm gonna close one of them. I just wanted to go straight down there to it. I don't want to see no green till we get down there if we can. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let us just go straight down to it. No green counter, please. Come on. He's just right there. Come on, man. Right there. Just squeeze a little bit more. Come on. Don't close green. Come on, come on, come on. It closed back red. We add one more. Add one more. Short. Hit TP. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. It's right there. It was right there. They just played me right there. Come on, take it out. Give me my last little 24, 25. Come on now. That's what I'm saying. Y'all playing. We didn't catch our whole move, but man, we caught some of it though. Dang, it was playing games. I knew it was trying to go down there, but it was just it was just playing around too much. Now let's go to the higher time frame since it took that low out. So it took that low out. Where's the next low? All the way down here. Next low is all the way down here. So we need to see if we can close past this low. That's the question. Can we close past this low? It might be that low right there. That's probably what the one we need to see. Yeah, it might be that low. Let's drop back to the 1 minute. We up 96 on the day. I think if it give us a green counter, it's probably gonna come all the way back to this orange right here. If we get a green counter somehow. If we get a green counter, I think we coming back up to this orange right here. Alright, we're going up there to that orange. Yep, there it goes. Now, biggest thing is this hourly. Is the hourly gonna close below here or back above? That's the biggest thing I'm looking for. If the hourly, let's go to the hourly. If the hourly close back below, I like the shorts back down here again. But the hourly has to close back below. Dang, you pushed. Come on, hourly, you ain't had to push that fast. Dang, I was trying to get back in. I'm about to grab one. If it closed red here, we're gonna grab one short. But it could market structure shift on us. That's the thing. Ah, nah, we'll wait till it break here. So close red, it gotta come. Once it come down here, we grab a short. Cause it could say higher high, higher low, higher high, and get us out. So we're gonna wait. Or if it, dang, we could have grabbed it when it came back up here, but it's fine. It's completely fine. See, look at this. If it make that higher high, that would have got us out. Oh, and it make that higher high. I definitely see it coming to this next hourly level. Yep, pushed, made that higher high. I can see it coming to this next hourly level. I don't want it to, but I can see it doing it. I want to see us close back below this. I want this hourly to close below this lower level so I can get back in them shorts. Cause now it's probably gonna push to the other side. Then you gotta decide if you want to stay up there or come down. Let's look at the hourly, see where the next hourly gaps for the upside. Cause it's pushing up. It'll be a breakout here, but we need a green candle. For me to go straight bull, we literally had to come all the way up here, or at least close inside here. But right now, on the lower time frame, the bulls starting to come through on the lower time frames. It's pushing. We might catch one long just to go up here. Might get in one long. Cause it is pushing pretty hard. But you never know. A big rig can just come through and mess it all up. We'll go back to that hourly. No gaps there. 12 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. We're gonna wait it out. Cause if it somehow come back below here, then it's gonna mess it all up. If I was trying to go low, my bad. I'm yawning and everything. But it definitely pushing though. Time put on 1 second. Alright, made a low. Made another high. I think it's trying to get up there. I probably should have closed. I kind of got greedy right there. Kind of got greedy right there. We're going to still hold and see if it can push back up there. I was trying to see if it was going to close inside that hourly. Kind of got greedy though. Next time I go up here though, I'm going to set. Let's see. After this 1 minute right here, we're setting it. All right, we're gonna go and set it now. Uh, it can wick down on us easily. Well, if it wick down, we at least take 16. 25. It's probably gonna kick us out though. I don't think it want to get all the way over here just yet. Yeah, I was figuring. I don't think it wanted to get over there just yet. But I do think we might close inside here and eventually go over there. But we up 121 on the day, which is good. Which is good. Let me go back to that hourly. Let's look at that hourly again. See what it's doing. Will it close inside this gap or will it close below? Ooh, push, push. I think it's gonna close inside the gap, y'all. Now, if it get over here though, that's the thing. Oh snap! If it get over there, if it gets over there, is it gonna close above? Oh, it's there. It's there. It's literally there. It tapped it. It tapped it. Will it close above? That's the thing now. Dang, them bulls came in strong. I ain't even got look. We dropped down so hard, it came right back up. Them bulls came in strong. I did not expect the bulls to push that hard, honestly. Literally flipped us all the way back green. Now, can we close above? We close above, I'm taking a long for sure. We got 8 minutes, 53 seconds. We close above, I'm taking a long. We don't close above, I ain't go, I mean, I still think it'll go up, but we had to wait till the next hour to close green above it. So this orange line here is key. Can we close above or not? I want to see us build a little higher structure so I can set my stop loss. Cause I'll go ahead and get in now if we can set a higher structure. But it look like we making a fair value gap here though. Possibly. Unless it come wipe it out right now. You got 18 seconds. Possibly making a 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see. I don't even like that color counter. I was gonna get along if it flipped green, but I don't even like that. That's doji, y'all. So I don't know if it's trying to be up or down at that moment. But it did leave a gap. I could take the gap bounce if we close green here. Especially if we can close but it's high. Closing green here, you could take it up to the high, but depending on if it can close past once it get up there. If it close past, we getting in the longs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, I was just about to press it. Nope, we ain't gonna get in it yet. It might come back down first. Dang, I was trying to get in. We gotta be patient, man. Gotta be patient. This the next gap it's trying to go to, though. That's the next gap it's trying to go to. Got 7 minutes before well, basically 6 minutes before the hour. Dang, I was trying to catch that long. Come on back down here. And show me if you want to break again. Let's see it come back down here. Oh, it flipped green. I think that's the break. What's this high? 26,116,25. What's this close? No, it closed right at it. I don't know if that count. It might count. It probably gonna squeeze. Yeah, I think it counted. We just in one. Aiming for 32. We in one. Let's see if it's gonna run. Let's move this. Come on, go up there so I can set this stop loss and profit. You're almost there. Almost there. Ah, squeeze, go up. Alright, you up there. I'm set it. Alright, you got me out. I caught a little 13. 135. We up 135. Can it close past here now? That's the question. Man, we just running these. Yeah, these bulls came in strong, man. I did not expect the bulls to come in this heavy. Like, dang. They really showed something. Now can we close above here? Unless we come back and retest this, then it don't matter. If I want to go long, I needed to close past here, or it need to come back down and retest this before the hour. If I want to go long, either close past here, this level here, or come retest this one before the hour. But we're up 135 on the day. We almost $20 more to get that 150 for the day. But we aiming for more than 150, honestly. All right, we got the low. Come on, bring it down here. Bring it down here. We need you to bring it down here. I don't think it's gonna bring it down here yet because it just bounced there. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna bring it down here just yet. We could catch one more long back up. Yeah, let's take one more long. Catch a little 20 piece. If it kick us out, it kick us out though. But I don't think it will. I think we finna go up there. Right here. If it kick us out though. But I think we're going up. I think I'm gonna add one more. Especially if this close green. 3, 2, add one more. Now take us up there. Give me my 60. Got 3 minutes to the hour. Come on, man. See if it's gonna hold. We probably got kicked out. We got played. Is it gonna hold? Oh, it's holding. It's holding. Add one more. It's holding. We added one more. If it come back down again, now it's over with. Dang, we probably get 100 off of this if it come on squeeze. Come on, man, push up. All right, stop loss $20. Golly, I moved stop loss too soon, bro. Stop loss too soon. Oh man, now that's so. Oh man, that was so. We could have got 100. I should have waited. I should just waited it out. Dang, I moved the stop loss tad bit too soon, man. Tad bit too soon. Three, two, one. Come on, we got 1 minute to the hour now. Dang, y'all scaring me. Hurry up. Ah, I probably gotta close. I probably gotta close it. 1 minute to the hour. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Dang it, bro. They get on my nerves. That was the only loss we got too. We had 136, so technically we only made $1, y'all. We only made $1 off them two trades. Oh man. I did it. I noticed I was looking at the clock and I said, "Bro, we only 1 minute to the hour. It's probably finna flush right back down here." Ah, dang it. We could take the shorts down to it. I probably should have waited. But it's alright. Let's see. Alright, the hour. Come on. Bring us back down there. I know it closed green, but I really don't want to see it wick up till we come down there. I probably messed it up. It's been a bad, yeah, it's been my bad decisions, man. My bad decisions. Golly, I'm tripping. We gonna do better. We gonna do better. My bad, y'all. My bad. I was waiting on that retest here. Cause I still think we gonna come back down to retest. Unless we somehow come clear this gap right here. We clear this gap, then we ain't gonna do the retest. But I think we gonna come do the retest. Dang, man. The one trade we had to close early ended up leading us into a bad trade by ourselves. So we looking for a market structure shift back to the downside, uh, for us to get in. And really don't even, cause it'd be a quick scalp, literally. So we only up $60 on the day because of that bad trade I took. Close green here, we're gonna take a long. Close red, we're gonna wait. Alright, we're gonna wait. See if this red gonna lead us to this lower or not. It may not. It might just come down. Then we get a green candle. They gotta wait. But if it take that low, we'll take the shorts. If we can take the low. Can we take the low? No. No. It's glitching. What the heck? Bruh, it literally just glitched on me. If it take these lows now, I'll be so mad. It just glitched on me, man. Literally. That's some trash. That's some trash. That mug glitched on me. Look, it's lagging, but we caught that. So we back at 60. That dang is lagging. Out of nowhere, it just started lagging. Out of nowhere. Golly. Y'all know me and that lag, we don't get along. It still ain't always get the tap though, so I think it's still finna come down. We just can't see market shift back to the side. Alright. We back up 88. Okay, we slowly getting it back. We slowly getting it back. Now we gotta wait. This hourly counter finna be trash. We gotta wait a long time, y'all. Uh, to know where you want to close, we gotta wait a long time. We got literally 55 minutes. We got a long time to wait. Oh my goodness. Only way we can get in some trades now, y'all, after it did it, only way we can get in some trades is if we come tap the top of here, or this fair value gap, or if we come make a lower low. Other than that, it's a gamble. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. It's a gamble. You literally gambling in this area. Either when we tap the top here, or we come make a lower low. That's it. No other options. Literally, no other options. And unless, like I said, that's the only way we can get in before the hourly close. Now, once the hourly close, like say the hour we sitting here in the hourly close, yeah, we can make decisions now. But before the hourly close, for us to get in a trade, we gotta either take this top of this gap or take the bottom of here. Literally. I'm mad I lost that dang trade because we've been up R150 right now. We only up 88. Let's go look at YM or somebody. See if we can get a quick trade on them. MYM. MYM. YM, I think, was I long on YM or was I short? No, I was indecisive, I think, on YM. I think. Because it was red, yep. I was indecisive. I was like, oh no, this is what I wanted. I remember. I wanted it to tap into this dang gap. And then I was going to possibly go long. But I already missed it. I already freaking missed my trade, bro. I should have set an alert. Did it tap in it? Yeah, it tapped in it, I think. What's that? 47.58. Oh, it did. It was one away. It didn't tap in it. Let me see. I think it's one away. Yep, one tick away. It didn't get it. We might can come back down. Alright, so the only way I'm getting MYM is we take this high. We take this high, then I'll get in some loans, but I'm not trusting this right now. It can come all the way back down. Because it didn't tap it. It was close, but it didn't get it. So, I'm not trusting it. Just because it's green now, I'm not trusting it. It gotta actually tap it. That's crazy. I thought it tapped it. It got close though, but it did. Only way I get in longs is once it take the highs. I'm gonna go set my alert on if it take the highs. So I know. So I can know. Yeah, that's the only way I'm going getting in. We gotta take the highs. Cause I don't trust this. Don't trust it. It almost got there, but it didn't quite get it. Let's look at the hourly though. See what the hourly looking like. Hourly starting to form an uptrend. Well, we just made a higher high. We can't say we formed an uptrend just yet. We just making higher highs right now. Yeah, this to bounce off of. It's just a lot of gaps over here. I ain't even trying to fool with this. Like, come on, all these dang gaps is really unnecessary. Look at this. We ain't finna, we trade NYM off market structure. I ain't finna do all that. So it's higher high, we gonna wait on the higher low, possibly making a higher high. That might lead us to them all-time high, but I ain't fooling with it. Let me go look at gold. Let's go look at gold. I might call it y'all, for the stream. Cause like I told y'all, only way we can get in the trade. Dang gold. Hold up. Daily. I'm kind of confused why it didn't come to this other side. Cause if it tapped this, that means they don't care about coming down here. We could see, cause gold, it didn't come to the other side. As long as it don't tap this daily for right gap, it can just flush all the way back down. If it touch that other gap though, it don't have to come down there. So we gonna right here where it's at. If we don't see no market structure shift coming to the downside, I mean, if we see market structure shift come to the downside up here, I can take a short all the way back down. Cause it didn't tap this other side unless it's like some other gap on small time frame is respected. Let's go look. Nah, none that I see. Might get some market structure shift up here. Let's see if there's a gap up here we can bounce off of. Well, this one, of course. Uh, maybe this one is the one. Hey, some short. Let's see. If it taps this though, it don't matter. We get the first red. Dang, should I get in off the first red or should I get in off of market structure shift? This will be my stop loss regardless. This fair value gap. Let's get in one short, see what it do. I'm gonna drag it all the way down. Let's see what that stop loss. Ooh, that stop loss be 120 though. God dang. But we be aiming for 540 at least. Or basically close to 600. Let's see. Let's see. If gold can flush, that'll be beautiful. I gotta be patient on this gold. To make a higher high is gonna suck, but see if we can fail to make a higher high. Come on, drop, drop, drop. Come on, make a lower low. That'd be beautiful to make a lower low. Man, beautiful. Ah, come on. Let me look at the hourly real quick. I'm gonna close right here, right here. All right, bring us a lower low. Bring us a lower low. Look at the hourly one more time. I don't want to see where that hourly opened up at. Right here. I'm gonna put a horizontal line in case it wanted to flip red for us. like to add one more just for a scalp. We're gonna do that. Add one more. If we get to the bottom here, we'll sell it. Just so we can catch a little money off this trade. We're only gonna sell one though when we get down there. Maybe even just take it to here, to this fair value gap here. Let's mark it out. Might just take it to this fair value gap. I don't really want to see this be green, because that might bring us all the way back up. Dang, I might have to cut one. I did not want to see it green. Did not want to see the green. I need this to close back red. Come on. Close back red here. So I can sell one here just for, what, about $15 or so? Then I can hold the other one still. Come on, man. I'm gonna cut one up here. If it close outside the box. Oh, well, it's another freaking gap here. Golly, I ain't see all these 1 minute gaps. Still gotta hold it. There's one more gap. Now clear this gap, we gotta cut it. Gotta cut it if it clear the gap. I'm ready to catch a sale. I'm holding. We're gonna hold it. What you gonna do? Okay, we pushed in there. Nice, nice, nice. Bring us down here, man. Bring us down here. It's probably gonna come back up to the top. Come on, don't give us that market structure shift to the upside. Don't do it. No. Come on. Push down, push down, push down. Push to the bottom. Push to the bottom. Push down, push down. No. Yes. Stay. I wanted to stay in this box. Don't go up there. Stay in this box down here. No. No. Ah, nah. Come on. Do what you gonna do, man. I just need you to come take this low out. Alright. Now come down to this box so I can sell one. I can sell one. There we go. Sell one. Sold one. I could have held a little longer, but I was trying to take some money, trying to take some profit. We up 145 on the day. Nice drop. Nice. Let me catch my 50. It's gonna bounce back up and get us out, but it's fine. Dang, I slick. Y'all know what? I slick should have held my trade, y'all. Cause we had a beautiful entry all the way up here. Beautiful, beautiful entry all the way up there. I slick. We up 200 on the day, but I feel like I honestly feel like gold finna come all the way back down here. I just didn't have the patience. I just didn't have the patience. My bad, y'all. Dang, I probably should have held my freaking trade. Cause I don't know if it's gonna come back up here now. If it can just come back up to this spot, I'll get back in one more. If it can come back up here, I'll get in one more sale. But I don't even think it will. But we did close above. So we might. Nope. Coming back down. Unless this can flip green. This closed red, we coming back down here. Jeez Louise. Come on, I need you to push back green so we can be heading up here. Push back green, man. Push back green. So I can get a potential entry up here. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Yeah. Yeah. No, come on, push up. Golly. He ain't ready to go up there yet. Not ready to go up there just yet. Think it'll come down. Possibly it can go up after this one. Possibly we can push up right here. Hopefully. Now push up. 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 At least we got our 200 on the day. We only go risk. Dang, but if I get in here, I'm be risking like 160, or it ain't even gonna be. I only supposed to risk 40. It's gonna be like 160 if I get in there. But gold definitely wants to drop. Definitely wants to drop. Oh, NQ dropping too, y'all. But I told y'all it gotta go break that low for me. This could be the green candle here. Let's take. Oh no. Let's take a quick long for $20. Just don't come down here. Give us $20 real quick. Push up. No. No. This is gonna be last trade if it stop us out, y'all. We get stopped out. Oh, I might close this one. 8, 7, 6. If it close below that white box, I'm closing probably. 2, 1. Yeah, I'm gonna set it here. This stop us out, we out. I think we get stopped out here. Yeah. We out. We done. 160 on the day. We gonna leave it there. 160 on the day. Dang, my shorts was beautiful. All right, y'all. Y'all have